So today is Sunday. We are here again on the channel Share and Learn by Vikas. Um, Unprecedented times are going on, and we pray for everyone, for the wellness of each and everyone, all in everywhere, wherever they are suffering from these challenges. So they should be well, and that's the way we should support and help each other and communicate the positivity around each other. Okay, so in the channel Share and Learn by Vikas, if you like the today's discussion, please share it with your families, friends, near and dear ones. As such, that today we will be starting a new topic, that is success, and today let's discuss upon that what is the purpose of the success. So do subscribe this channel when you like the contents of today's discussion, and definitely share it with your near and dear ones, friends and colleagues. So before we move on to the subject of purpose of success, which we are will be discussing today, let's go for a power punch. So it is said that loneliness and weak social connections in health hazard are equivalent to smoking of a 15 cigarettes a day in terms of bearing on the lifespan. So get connected to each other. The loneliness and the weak social connection will take away our good and happiness from our life. Continue to get connected, and these are the times when we should be more connected to each other. So to start with the purpose of success, let's go to the power punch today. Let us look at it into this way. So if we say to us and to others that I am suffering from illness, that shows our weakness, that shows our despair. But if we say that I am healing from the illness, that shows the strength and that shows the hope. So today's power punch is, even in the illness kind of a situation where everybody and everywhere and all the news which we are getting of COVID-19 is depressing and showing our weakness, helplessness, rather than if we start saying that many of the people are healing from this illness, many of us are healing from this illness, so that shows the strength and that shows the hope. So let's get started. Before we move on to the purpose of success, let's ask a question. Why talk about success? Why we need to drive success? And who am I? And why am I discussing on this subject of success? If I am a super successful, that's why I am discussing. And if I am a super successful, then I should do nothing. There are work, there are home. And we need to be successful all the time. We need to be continuously thriving for success, and that is one of the reason, even if you are highly successful and if you have gone for a holidays, after some time you would like to come back to work, and again we would like to achieve the success. Discussing on the success topic also helps one more thing, that it may bring a difference to others, and also it can also give us a sense of achievement to all of us. So what is the definition of success? If you go to dictionary, success is accomplishment of aim or purpose. Very vast. You cannot understand anything about success here. Another definition is there if you go to in a little detail. So it says that freedom to spend our time on what we want. Again, not very clear. So now let's look at a little in a deeper into it. So what is the definition of success? Everybody, you, me and everyone, has a home and has a workplace. Now if we are successful at home and not at work, this cannot be defined as a success. If you are successful at the work and if you are not successful at the home, again it cannot be defined as a success. So we need to achieve our objectives of home as well as work. So when we are achieving at both the places, that is called as success. Not tough and super confusing. I have not been able to help you out how to go for a success or what is the purpose of the success. But these were very important points which I thought to share with you, because that sets the tone, that sets the umbrella for being going down and understanding how to define success and how to achieve success. So let's discuss it further to make all of us understand in this discussion that what is the purpose of our success. So what is we want to achieve and what is we want to spend time with, that helps us to drive our success, and that is basically the purpose of our success. Now let's discuss here two very important points, and from here the things starts. Number one, have clear goals both at home and at work. Number two, focus on efficiency by acquiring your resources. So, clear goals and focus on efficiency. That is the starting point of the success. Let's take two examples. Let's take the first example at work. And I'm not saying that success only comes if we are able to look at the very larger perspective. Success can come in a very smaller way also. So an example on work, say if we have a very clear goal that we have to learn the advanced skill of the Excel working. So let's take it as a destination. So that is our clear goal or destination. I am a little slow as well as I am also repetitive, because our job is to let's understand and let's discuss in detail. Otherwise this topic is a topic just for a discussion, and I don't want actually that way to happen. So again I am repeating, an example of work, say, is a clear goal is that we have to learn the advanced skill Excel working, and that is a destination or a goal for us. Now how we can be becoming the efficient, or how we can become more efficient, or how we can become enough efficient, then we have to acquire our resources. What our resources is that we may identify these kind of courses on a social media, maybe at different platforms, maybe we look at the audio courses, the video courses. So that is a resource which you have allocated to focus on efficiency. There are a couple of more resources which we have to allocate. One is time, one is concentration. So once we have acquired these resources and we have clearly defined our goals in this example, this will definitely lead to success. Learning advanced skill on Excel management, efficiency enough by resources, identifying these courses in social media, audio, video courses, maybe time, concentration, which we have to put in, this will certainly lead to success. Now let's take one more example of a home. Say we have a knack or of driving. So what is our clear goal is driving from here to there. So clear goal and destination is that I have to drive from here to there. Now how to gather those resources which will help us and which are actually efficient enough. So resources which we have to use in this example are, you need a car, you should know driving. That is the resources which we have to allocate. And again, the same resources that we have to have a time, and then we have to have a focus or a concentration. So once clear goal of driving is mixed with the efficiency of hours along with the resources, this will lead to success. So in other words, habits and tactics which we have used just now in two of the examples, one was at work and one was at home. So what we have done is that we have self-organized ourselves. We had gone through a time management. We have looked at the assertiveness, and we have also identified the good relations with others who will be involved into this success of ours. So now I think these discussions are leading to a direction that these are the two things which we have to look at. One is the setting the clear goals. The other one is being efficient enough. So the examples which we just shared, is it that straight enough? If it is like very, very straight, then we should be every time be successful. Then why frustration comes in between and before success? Think it. Why? Why frustration comes in? Frustration comes in because either we have a miss on the clear goals or we are not efficient enough. If we have a very clear goal, just memorize those examples which we have just discussed recently back. If we have a clear goals, but we are not efficient enough, we have not mobilized our resources, the end result will not come and we will feel frustrated. Even if we do not have any clear goals, but we are efficient enough, we will go round and round in a circle, and since the clear goal which is not defined, we will not be able to achieve the end results, and then before the success, the frustration will come in. So that's what I just want to mean. So go back those examples and remember, just we have discussed. And I mean, I can say from my side, I don't know how far, we can believe on that. But if goals are there without efficiency, we may have fun, but finally we will be frustrated. Example, we have a very smart goal that we have to learn advanced skill, but that is a goal which is on the papers or in the mind. We have not done anything. We have become efficient enough, and nor we have mobilized our resources. And same is the case with the driving. Then we may have a little fun because I have a goal, I will do it, I'll do it. But then finally results will not come, so we become frustrated, and then we say that success doesn't come easy. There is a question, is future success unknown? Many of us will say yes, and many of us will say maybe, and many of us will say no. But my straight answer is no. Future success is no. Just refer those two examples of advanced Excel skills and driving. So, say we are at a destination A, that is a present, that we have defined our clear goal, we have mobilized our resources, and we are efficient enough. So, we are currently at destination A. Now, when we are moving onwards with our resources, after defining the clear goal and efficiently enough, we will be reaching a destination B, which is the future. So looking at these two aspects, again, clear goals and efficiency, we will be reaching towards a near future. So therefore, the answer that our future success is unknown is no. I can say that in between is a clear goals, efficiency, otherwise it may lead up to success or frustration. Final point, goals are to be very sensible. Otherwise, we may get successful, but we may not feel happy. So today, a lot of questions. Another two questions to think over. Can a person change? Can a person be really successful? So to answer these questions, give me a week's time. On next Sunday when we will meet again on this channel, Share and Learn by Vikas, we'll try to have a discussion around these two questions. And the topic which has been chosen for next week is script of success. Sounds little interesting. Hope. So see you on next Sunday. One more thing I would like to add upon here is that please share with me your thoughts, your analysis, your suggestions also, along with the liking of this channel. Definitely, if you will like this channel, you will share it with your family, friends, near and dear ones. But that piece will be more important for me to bring on to the discussions which is very closer to all of us and which can give a little mileage to all of us. So see you on next Sunday. Thank you.